The Definitive Guide to Starting an AI Automation Agency, AAA, in 2026, from $0 to $10K/month. The digital landscape has shifted. In 2026, simply using AI tools is no longer a competitive advantage. It is a baseline requirement. The real gold mine lies in systems architecture. This is where the AI Automation Agency model, or AAA, comes in. If you are looking to scale your AI side hustle into a legitimate, high-ticket business, this guide provides the blueprint for building an agency that solves complex business problems using autonomous agents and integrated workflows. Section 1: What is an AI automation agency? An AI automation agency is a B2B service provider that helps businesses integrate AI into their existing operations to save time, reduce costs, and increase revenue. Unlike traditional digital agencies that sell deliverables like a logo or a blog post, and AAA sells efficiency. The shift from content to systems. The old model is writing 10 social media posts for a client for $200. The AAA model is building an autonomous system using OpenAI's API that monitors trending topics, generates brand-aligned content, and schedules it across 5 platforms automatically. Section 2: Core Services. What are clients paying for? To build a sustainable agency, you must move beyond novelty and focus on return on investment. Here are the 3 most lucrative service pillars. Service A: Intelligent customer support using RAG chatbots. Modern businesses are moving away from rigid, rule-based bots. They want bots that actually understand their business. The technology is Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG. You can feed a company's entire PDF documentation and website data into a vector database like Pinecone. The result is a chatbot that answers customer queries with 99% accuracy based only on the company's data. Service B: Internal workflow automation. This involves connecting a client's software stack, including CRM, email, Slack, and ERP, so they talk to each other without human intervention. For example, when a lead fills out a form on a website, an AI agent researches their LinkedIn profile, summarizes their recent posts, and drafts a personalized outreach email for the sales team. Service C: AI-enhanced data analysis. Help companies make sense of their dark data. You can build dashboards that use large language models to analyze customer feedback or sales trends and provide actionable summaries every Monday morning. Section 3: The tech stack of a professional architect. You do not need to be a senior software engineer, but you must master the no-code and low-code ecosystem. These tools are the industry standard. For logic and connectivity, use Make.com. It is more powerful and cost-effective than Zapier for complex logic. For conversational AI, use VoiceFlow. It is the gold standard for designing and deploying enterprise-grade chatbots. For knowledge base, use Airtable. It acts as the brain or database for your AI automations. For large language models, use Anthropic Claude. It is currently favored for its superior reasoning and coding capabilities. Section 4: High-ticket pricing strategies. In an AAA, you should never charge by the hour. Hour-based billing punishes you for being efficient. Instead, use value-based pricing. The setup fee is between $2,500 and $10,000. This covers the initial build, integration, and testing of the automation system. The monthly retainer is between $500 and $2,000. This covers AI maintenance. Models get updated, APIs change, and prompts need tuning. This is your passive income stream. Performance bonuses: if your automation reduces a company's customer support costs by $10,000 a month, you can negotiate a percentage of those savings. Section 5: How to find your first client using the audit strategy. Do not send generic cold emails. Use the AI audit method. First, identify a niche. Focus on high-ticket, low-tech industries like lawyers, solar contractors, or real estate agencies. Second, use Loom Outreach. Record a 3-minute video using Loom. Show them their own website and point out where an AI agent could capture more leads or answer FAQs. Third, the free trial is optional. Offer to build a basic prototype bot. Once they see it working with their own data, the sale becomes 10 times easier. Section 6, Overcoming technical challenges like hallucinations and security. As a professional, you must address the elephant in the room, which is AI reliability. Use prompt engineering. Use chain of thought prompting to ensure the AI follows logical steps before giving an answer. Use human in the loop, or HITL. Design systems where the AI drafts the work, but a human must click approve before it goes live. This is crucial for high-stakes industries like medical or legal. Data privacy. Ensure you are compliant with GDPR if you are dealing with European clients. Use enterprise-grade API keys that do not train on customer data. Section 7, The future moving toward agentic workflows. The trend for late 2026 is moving away from chat and toward agents. An agent does not just talk. It acts. For example, an AI agent that can browse the web, find a competitor's price change, and automatically update your client's Shopify store prices to stay competitive. Mastering tools like AutoGPT or specialized agent frameworks will put your agency in the top 1% of the market. Section 8, Conclusion and your roadmap for the next 30 days. The barrier to entry is still low, but it is rising every day. To start your AI side hustle, Week 1, master Make.com basics and build a weather-to-email automation. Week 2, build a customer support bot for a fictional company using VoiceFlow. Week 3, choose your niche and find 50 prospects. Week 4, send 10 personalized video audits per day. Success in the AI era does not go to the smartest programmer. It goes to the most creative problem solver. Follow AI Side Hustle for more deep dives into the tools and strategies shaping the future of digital entrepreneurship. For more exclusive, visit aisidehustle.website. Please subscribe, like, and share.